Hello viewers, if you are using iPad or iPhone, you need to know these settings to keep your smartphone or tablet safe. Using two methods, you can make your contacts or your profile safe from hackers. The first step that you need to turn on is lock screen settings. You have to set a passcode of 4 digits and then you can set your screen time passcode recovery by entering your email or phone number. This is very important because if you forget your screen time passcode, you can recover them or reset them by using your Apple ID. But if you don't enter your email ID, you can skip this process. But if you forget in future your passcode, that will be very problematic for you. You have to visit the service center to get your iPad unlocked. Now, if you want to unlock or change the passcode, you have to click on change screen time passcode, and now there is two options: change screen time passcode and turn off screen time passcode. Suppose I want to turn off, then I have to enter the 4-digit password, or if I want to change the passcode, still I have to enter the old 4-digit numbers. But if you have forgotten your screen time passcode in that case, and if you have not selected the account in that case, you cannot unlock your screen time passcode. Either you have to log in with another iPhone with same iOS ID, or you have to visit the service center. Normally you can access your account by tapping on the account section, but you can lock these settings and nobody can enter into the accounts if they can unlock your device. So you have to go into screen time option, then click on content and privacy restrictions. After that, scroll down towards the bottom and then select accounts, and after that you have to click on don't allow option and then go back into the main settings. And if you click on the accounts, you can see that you cannot open these account sections. That means nobody can open these account sections unless you go again into the screen time option and disable or allow account settings. Only then you and others can access this content and privacy restrictions. Now you can see you can open into the settings. It will take some time. Now you can see that you can open your accounts. So this is the two-way authentications actually. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.